Hello everyone, Tyler.pabich here today talking chain bathtub drain strainer. Thank you to the people over at TrapMate for sending over this product sample. We currently have the one that we use in our shower. Now it's going to be nice to have this in our guest bathroom as well. So thank you again for this product. We love it. I'm going to tell you the things that I do like about it, and then I'm going to give a demonstration at the end. So make sure you stay tuned for the demonstration. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. Very small packaging, which is nice, not going to take up a lot of space. And here it is. So you can see it's in the bag here. You have, if I can get it out, there we go. That part out. And this one here. So you can see it's not too large. Oh my gosh, can't get this out. It's taped in there pretty good. So you can see it is not too large, but the a couple things I do like about it, the basket is nice and deep, so it's going to catch a lot of stuff in it. When it is starting to get a lot of different things in there, hair, whatever it is, it'll start to slow the drain process, so then you can just take this out, dump it out, rinse it out, and put it back in. I do really like the bottom part. It's kind of a little rubber part right here, so it's not going to move a lot when it's over top of the drain. Stay tuned at the end. Like I said, again, I'm going to give a full demonstration of what this looks like in our bathroom. It is stainless steel, so it's not going to rust over time, which is another great quality of it, but just a simple product to use and necessary product for your bathroom, for your showers, for your tubs, stuff like that. When you don't want to then use this, then you can put this over top of it so the water just fills up during that time, instead of draining out if you want to take a bath or give your kids a bath, whatever it may be. But again, I'm going to give a demonstration of that. So thank you again to the people over at TrapMate for sending over this product sample, and stay tuned for the demonstration. Thanks.
All right, so for some reason I couldn't get the angle the way I wanted it to flip the opposite way, so full sideways here, but pretty simple to use. You're just going to set it right on top of the drain there, and then all the water is going to go through. It's going to catch anything that comes in there. But then if you want to use it for like a tub, then you can put the silicone up on top and kind of stick that down to the ground, and then the tub would fill up. So thank you again to TrapMate for this product sample. If you're in the market, I would definitely recommend this product. Thanks.